What if I told you that most traders don't lose money because of bad strategies, bad indicators, or bad market timing, but because they choose the wrong broker for the way they trade? In 2026, the trading world looks more professional than ever. Brokers advertise ultra-tight spreads, massive leverage, instant execution, and advanced platforms. And Exness is one of the most visible names across Forex and crypto trading communities. You see it in ads, on social media, in YouTube comments, and on trading forums, and many traders assume that if a broker is this big, it must be safe and suitable for everyone. But that assumption quietly destroys accounts every single year. The truth is simple but uncomfortable. What works perfectly for one trader can be extremely dangerous for another. That's why instead of asking whether Exness is popular or whether it is legit, the real question you should be asking in 2026 is whether Exness is actually safe and suitable for you, your trading style, your location, and your risk tolerance. Most traders never ask that question. They rush through registration, skip the fine print, fund their account, and only start reading the rules after something goes wrong. Exness is optimized for speed, leverage, and flexibility, and those strengths are exactly what attract traders in fast-moving markets. But those same strengths can become serious risks if you don't understand how the system is structured. As of 2026, Exness serves millions of active traders worldwide, with a strong presence in Asia, Africa, and the Middle East, offering access to Forex pairs, indices, metals, energy products, and crypto CFDs, and it is especially known for low spreads and very high leverage. On paper, that combination looks extremely attractive, especially to traders who want fast execution and aggressive position sizing. However, one critical detail many traders overlook is that Exness does not accept retail clients from the United States, Canada, and several strict Western jurisdictions. This is not a small detail. It tells you exactly what kind of broker Exness is. Exness is a global, offshore-focused broker, not a US-regulated retail platform, and that difference matters more than most people realize. Offshore does not automatically mean unsafe, but it does mean that the rules, protections, and expectations are different. Exness operates under multiple regulatory entities, some with stricter oversight, and some designed to offer more flexibility. This structure allows Exness to provide high leverage, adapt quickly to volatile markets, and cater to professional-style traders who value execution over hand-holding. The trade-off is that your level of protection depends entirely on which Exness entity your account is registered under, and many traders never check this until there is a problem. When you look at complaints online, most of them are not about scams or price manipulation, but about misunderstandings. Traders realizing too late that their account falls under a different regulatory framework, that certain protections do not apply to them, or that verification requirements were stricter than they expected. Professional traders approach this very differently. Before funding an account, they confirm which entity they are under, what protections apply, how withdrawals are handled, and what happens in the event of a dispute. This single step prevents the majority of problems people complain about later. Exness is also well known for its fee structure, including raw spreads, zero spread account options, and competitive commissions. In stable market conditions, execution can be excellent, and spreads on major pairs can be extremely tight. But experienced traders understand something beginners often ignore. Low spreads don't matter if your strategy cannot survive volatility. Scalpers and short-term traders tend to benefit the most from Exness's pricing and execution model, while long-term swing traders often see less advantage. Another important point is that fees vary by account type, and during high-impact news events, trading costs can increase rapidly. This is not unique to Exness, but it is something traders must factor into their risk management. Exness supports MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, web-based trading platforms, and mobile trading apps, offering a fast, clean, execution-focused experience that appeals to algorithmic traders, MT-based strategies, and traders who value speed over visual complexity. However, Exness is not built around social trading, copy trading communities, or advanced analytics dashboards. It is a broker designed primarily as an execution engine, not a trading social network, and traders expecting built-in strategy marketplaces or community features may feel limited. Like every broker, Exness has real risks, and ignoring them is far more dangerous than acknowledging them. The most common issues reported by traders include confusion around account types and regulatory entities, withdrawal delays linked to incomplete or failed verification, and overuse of leverage, particularly by newer traders. High leverage is not a strategy. It is a tool, and without strict risk control, it destroys accounts quickly. Exness gives traders access to significant power, but power without discipline leads to rapid losses. Professional traders treat brokers as tools, not banks, withdraw profits regularly, control position sizes, and never rely on leverage to rescue bad trades. Trading in 2026 is fundamentally different from just a few years ago. Markets now move faster due to AI-driven strategies, automated news reactions, and increasingly complex liquidity dynamics. Sudden volatility spikes, thin liquidity during shocks, and rapid sentiment shifts are more common, and while Exness performs well under normal market conditions, no broker is immune to extreme volatility or black swan events. The smartest approach in this environment is to use Exness for what it does best, which is execution, while managing risk externally through disciplined position sizing, stop-loss placement, and profit withdrawals. Never rely on leverage to compensate for poor planning or emotional trading. So is Exness worth using in 2026? The answer depends on who you are as a trader. Yes, if you actively trade Forex or crypto CFDs, live outside restricted jurisdictions, understand leverage and execution risk, and prioritize speed and flexibility over heavy regulation and social features. No, if you want maximum regulatory protection, trade casually without strict risk management, or expect a beginner-focused, community-driven platform. There is no perfect broker in trading. There is only the right broker for the right trader at the right stage of their journey. Before you make a decision, ask yourself honestly whether Exness fits your trading behavior, not just your expectations. And before you go, think about this question. Have you traded with Exness before, or are you considering it in 2026? And what is the one thing you are most worried about when choosing a broker?